So I'm gonna help you through these simple steps from taking it to a dry beard to a soft beard. So there is significant differences between both of them, and there is a certain routine that I apply into my daily practice just to execute it to have a nice, luxurious beard. So first and foremost, keeping your beard soft is a daily practice. It is a habit that you need applying to your life. So I'm here to help you out, okay? What's going on, gents? And for the new subscribers, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to get the latest updates on the content on the Arccway channel, and stay tuned for more videos. So that being said, let's get right into it. It seems to be that I do beard videos right in the morning and just when I wake up, and it seems to be the best time to do it. So I have another video just for you guys right now. So there's a daily practice and method to this madness that I use every day just to have a luxurious beard. So the reason why your beard isn't soft is because you haven't put enough attention into it to actually have a routine and start implementing daily practices that will actually help you improve not only your beard care but also the beard growth. So it's like watering a plant. If you don't water a plant, you're not going to see it grow over time. So if you don't change your soil every 3 weeks, if you don't water it every 3 to 4 days, you're not going to see the growth of the long-term success of that plant. So it is technically the same thing applied to a beard. So it doesn't matter what it is. It's all about time and attention, putting that time in to actually take care of yourself and improve yourself. So your daily maintenance is actually a habit that needs to be controlled and needs to be implemented to improving the more success of your beard. So in the morning is probably when your beard will be the driest. For me, is when the mornings, because when I am rolling around in bed, all my natural oils, all the oils from last night or whatever the case is actually seeping into the pillow, leaving my beard really dry. So I have to do a lot of more time and attention when it comes to taking care of my beard. It can also be due to weather conditions of location where you live. It can be from the products that you do use. I personally stay away from a lot of chemicals that are used from mass producers, like from Dove or L'Oreal. I technically don't use a lot of those products when it comes down to my beard. I use natural ingredients. So one of my daily routines when it comes down to my beard care is actually having good quality soap, and that's what I do apply when it comes into my beard. For example, this is my tea tree oil soap. This is actually from my barber from Sharp Society. So this is, for me, this is actually my daily beard wash, and this is what I do apply into my skin. It is a tea tree oil soap. It has olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, tea tree essential oil, tea tree leaves as well. So that is something that I do apply to my daily routine. If you're looking to purchase something just like this, look in the description box down below. Connect with my barber on IG. You can definitely send me some products like this, or just ask for a request for them. He can send them out. And so that's what it comes down to when it comes down to my daily habits. So what I'm going to do for you guys, I'm going to provide you 3 techniques that I do use when it comes down to softening my beard, just to have the more success of the beard. So this is not going to be a long video for you guys. I want to make it quick and short and simple. So here it is. Tip number 1. Wash your beard. It is a common thing. It is a daily practice that you must apply into your habits. Just like washing your body, you gotta wash your beard. You gotta take time. If you do have the facial hair and you can grow facial hair, definitely wash your beard and take care of yourself. So having that daily routine of washing your beard is actually gonna help you improve the follicles in your beard and actually produce a lot more success when it comes down to beard growth long term. The second tip I have for you guys is actually deep conditioning. Deep conditioning to me is overlooked, and it is something that you do need to apply to your beard. So deep conditioning is something that's very important when it comes down to softening your beard. You gotta let your old follicles fall out over time with exfoliating, but deep conditioning your beard will actually help it improve the success of it. I did do a video about 3 years ago about deep conditioning of avocados. I'm actually gonna do that again, so if you're interested in that video, give this video a thumbs up. I typically use organic ingredients when it comes down to my beard, because my beard is a lot more sensitive than the rest of my body or rest of the follicles of my hair. The third tip I have for you guys is proper beard oil. You want to have a good beard oil that is not water-based too much. You want to have a beard oil that is effective. I do have a few demonstrations of beard oils that I do use. Let's check my little man bag. I have Jack Black. It is a beard oil that I do use. So technically, if I am using this actually is a lot more oil based than usual. I don't like a lot of heavy base oils on my beard, but when in doubt, when it does come into the conditions, like I mentioned before, weather conditions, I'll technically use maybe a heavier oil base when it comes down to it, just because it does need that nutrients in a cold weather, and it tends to dry out a lot more when you do have a beard in the cold weather. So the 3 tips I have for you guys when it comes down to softening your beard is: number 1, washing your beard, having a routine of washing your beard on a daily habit. Number 2 is deep conditioning your beard. Always implement deep conditioning. It's just like your skin, and full exfoliating every once a week is good enough. At the same time, deep conditioning your beard is good enough once a week. And the 3rd tip for you guys is actually beard oil. So make sure you have proper beard oil in your archive or in your little man bag that you can actually pull out when you need to, just to moisturize your beard and give that nutrients that it needs to succeed. Also, the question of the day is, let me know your technique to softening your beard. What is that one daily practice that you apply to soften your beard? Put it in the comment section down below. Let us know. And yet again, guys, thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. First and foremost, keeping your beard soft is a habit.